Good morning, students. Today in this video we will start third chapter, that is the phrase. So let's get started. First we will know the definition of the phrase. Well, a phrase is a group of words which makes incomplete sense. Yes, it is true that a phrase is a group of words like in the park, in the sky, in Mumbai, bravely, sorry, not bravely, in a brave manner. These are the group of words which makes complete sentence. But when we make a sentence using this group of words, then it will make complete sense. In the following sentences, the group of words in italic form are phrases. I met him in the park. The moon shines in the sky. It was view of great beauty. She was found on the hill. So all these sentences, the group of words that are printed in italic font in the park, in the sky, of great beauty, on the hill, these are called phrases which make incomplete sense. But when these groups of words we use to make a sentence, then these phrases in the sentence make complete sense. Well, we can say that the if we group of words which make sense but not complete sense and do not have finite verb are called phrases. There are some features related to the phrase, that is, phrase is also a part of a sentence. We make a When we make a sentence, we use phrase. It does not make complete sense. Without making a sentence, these groups of words does not make complete sense. It does not contain finite verb also, that is infinite or participle. Now, next line, we will come to know that kind of phrases. There are three kinds of phrases, that is adjective phrases, adverb phrases, and noun phrase. Well, an adjective phrase is a group of words that the work of an adjective. Well, it is used to say the when we use adjective, we use an adjective to make a sentence, but when we use a group of words that does the work of an adjective, it is known to be an adjective phrase. Like you can see the example, the doctor was man with a kind nature. If we if we use only adjective, we can also say that the doctor was a kind-hearted man. Second, the furniture was antique with lacquer polish. Or there are so many examples like she bought a ring made of gold. If we use only adjective, we can say she bought a golden ring. So these are the group of words that make complete sense when we use this group of words in the sentence. Now, adverb phrase. An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. It means while we when we make a sentence using an adverb, and when we use a group of words that does the work of an adverb, it is known as an adverb phrase. Like an example, the man ran with great speed. We can say when we use adverb that the man ran rapidly. He succeeded in the long run. They faced the situation in a brave manner. We can say when we use only adverb, they faced the situation bravely. So all the adverb words that ends with ly, like beautifully, slowly, gradually, neatly, formally, swiftly, carefully. All those words that ends with ly, it is known as an adverb. And when we use group of words that does the work of an adverb, it is called an adverb phrase. Now, moving to the last kind of word, that is noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. My son hopes to stand first. I want to visit the hospital. The boys want to go home. All three sentences that we are seeing in the page on the page, that all these group of words that are printed in bold font is is are noun phrases. So hope you have understood that the definition of phrase, why it is important, where the phrase we can use, and how many kinds of phrases. Okay, when we make a sentence, we use phrases. Without any sentence, phrase makes incomplete sense. And also three kinds of phrases: adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and noun phrase. Now move to the exercise, that is, read the following sentences carefully and identify the kind of phrase that it contains. I met my friend at the station. Well, at the station it comes in adverb phrase because adverb of place. She has a ring of made of gold. We can also say she has a golden ring. So it is an adjective phrase. The principal is a kind man. It's adjective phrase. The player ran very fast. It's an adjective phrase. Adverb phrase. She works in a slow manner. It is an adverb phrase. The soldier fought with courage. Noun phrase. The DM always liked to maintain peace. Noun phrase. She spoke very well the other day. Adverb phrase. He wishes to get the first prize. Noun phrase. The students were living in a forest. Noun phrase. Lakshmi does everything in a beautiful manner. Adverb phrase. The flowers in the garden are beautiful. Noun phrase. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, an ex-pilot, was the PM. Noun phrase. Ravi, a famous surgeon, went to America yesterday. Noun phrase. She had a beautiful ring. Adjective phrase. So these all are the sentences. We have to identify the kind of phrase. Next exercise, make sentence using the following phrases. First, from his school. He had reached from his school. Sorry, the spelling of school is wrong. It you can correct the word meaning of spelling of the word school. In the conference. We were sleeping in the conference. On the table. The books are on the table. On the road. He found the purse on the road. So we have to make sentences using these following phrases. I met my uncle at the station. I saw a girl in the crowd. This ring is made of gold. The day talk in a good manner. A cross set on a wall. The sun rises in the east. Exercise C. Look at the picture. Look at the picture below. Then write 5 sentences describing the railway station. Always also use a phrase in every sentence. So we have to make 5 sentences describing the railway station. Like, there are a lot of people at the station. The boy who wears red suit is giving the flower to the girl. So here at the station is phrase, and the flower to the girl is a phrase. Look at the pictures below and write a sentence for each is using a phrase. An elephant is walking in a slow manner. The girl is riding bicycle in a slow manner. The boy is running very fast. Exercise E. Arjun had been given the task of matching the phrases with the group of words mixed up in column A and B. Help him by writing the complete sentences in the space provided. Column A, column B. We have to mix this group of words and complete the sentences. First, the sun shone brightly amidst the clouds. Second, they held a party around the swimming pool. The email came like a flash. The blue whales swam under the water. The bus passed on the road. The poor boy worked from morning till night. The captain controlled the ship. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. You can leave after you finish writing. So that's the chapter that we have. I hope you have understood the phrase, the definition of phrase. There are kinds of phrase, that is noun phrase, adverb, and adjective phrase. All the question answer we have done in this video. I hope you have understood. Any query regarding this chapter, do comment in the comment section. Thank you.